Suppose you have hired a freelancer from Bangladesh. He or she did a really great job, but when the time comes to pay, it's then where the real trouble begins. You want to use PayPal to pay the freelancer, but PayPal is not available in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, a regular person cannot open a PayPal account. So, as an alternative, most freelancers use Payoneer to receive payments from clients. But opening up a new Payoneer account for a regular person like you, it's very painful because the verification process takes a lot of time. That's why most freelancers resort to freelancing websites such as Fiverr or Upwork. But this freelancing website takes 20% of the earnings from the freelancer, which is very heartbreaking. But there is a much easier and faster way to send money to freelancer, and that is using this service called Xoom. And Xoom, you can see, that is a service, is a PayPal service, which means that you can use your PayPal account to log in and use the balance to send money to freelancers in Bangladesh, and very fast. Okay, suppose I'll just do, and also they will receive 2% incentive from the governments, and they won't deduct any amount from the freelancer, what freelancer receives, but you might have to pay some charges. Firstly, I will just show you how you can do that, and the freelancer can receive the money within only 1 minute. So, I will just show you. Suppose you want to send $50 to the freelancer who is living in Bangladesh right now, and you just type in amount 50, and this is the link for the Xoom Bangladesh page, and I'll be providing the link down in the description below, so that you can directly go to the Bangladesh Xoom page. Suppose I want to send $50 to a freelancer. I'll just this is the amount of BDT. I'll just click here, send now, and then just click on next after the confirming the rate. Then you choose this option, mobile wallet, because the bank deposit option is great, but it takes around like 2 days. It might take 2 days, and the banks, the local banks also must be open, and you have to insert a lot of details. And the freelancer also needs to have a bank account, which is a bit time consuming to open up. So that's a problem. Cash pickup, if you send a lot of money, then the freelancer needs to go to the bank and pick all this money up, which is also a bit of annoying for a person to go to the bank and pick up. On the other hand, mobile wallet, it is the most best option for a freelancer, for you to send the money to the freelancer. Mobile wallet such as bkash, if the freelancer have a bkash account, then they can directly receive this money in their bkash account, and they will get the money within 1 minute only. So mobile wallet, when you choose the mobile wallet option, you simply have to click login, and after that you will need to log in with your PayPal account to pay the freelancer. So the freelancer just needs to have a mobile number, and the freelancer needs to have a Bangladeshi NID, national ID, and if the freelancer got a bkash account, he can directly receive the money, like directly you can just send the money directly to his bkash account. Okay, but if he doesn't have a bkash account, but if he got an NID, national ID, he can just simply open up a bkash account within minutes and will be ready to receive your money. So you simply log into your PayPal account and finish the rest of the steps, provide the details which your freelancer provide you, and the freelancer will get the money within like 1 minute only. So I am also a freelancer, and my clients from US and Switzerland use this method to pay me directly to my bkash account, and it is very fast, and I also get the 2% government incentive. So I don't have a PayPal account as I live in Bangladesh. So I cannot just proceed to show you the rest of the steps, but you can just try it out, and I hope you will like it. And if this video helped you out in any ways, then please make sure to like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Do you want someone to design a website or a logo for you which looks professional, or an ebook cover which looks absolutely professional and reflects your brand and design? Then you can check out 99 Designs. In 99 Designs you get all design related services such as logo and website builders and website design and product packaging, illustration and book cover, t-shirt, etc. For example, suppose I need a book cover design. I will click on the book cover. Then you see that you can get a custom book cover. Professional designer all rated and reviewed, dozens of book cover design concept to explore, a custom book cover in about a week. So all that, and you can already see the book cover looks so professional over here. See, and you get 100% money back guarantee. So I will click on get a design, and suppose what do you need, a physical book, ebook or both? I will click on both, and which designs you like. So it will give me they will give me a number of sample designs to choose from. Suppose I like this one design very much, it looks very nice and professional, and let's see, I like this one too. No, it looks kind of cheap, I guess. This one is fresh and modern. I also like this one, and I also like this one, and this one too. See, this one also looks nice. Okay, so now after choosing a bunch of design, you just click on continue, and now you can just choose the colors. Which colors do you want? If your brand is kind of related to health, you can choose the green one, or related to something of trust or like insurance or education, you can choose the blue ones. Whatever, like just choose the colors which matches with your brand. And suppose I choose the green one over here and click on continue, and now you will need to provide the details. You will need to provide your email address, you will need to choose the language, English or Espanol, the title of the book, what is the author name, photo of the author, about the author, and what genre does your book fall under. Choose the genre of your book, like history, young adult, etc., whatever, and blurb or short description about your book, who would typically read your book, and is your design for hardback or paperback, because we chose the physical book also. So hardback, paperback, whatever you prefer, and other stuffs over here, other details you will need to provide, and where will you be distributing your book. So you have the Kindle direct publishing option over here as you choose the ebook option, and you see all the other options you get, and other details you need to provide. This is interesting. You see, creative vision, what styles would you like designers to explore? The design can be simple or detailed, modern or retro. Retro means old school. The design can be luxury or casual design. Playful means like a kind of childish design. If your book if the book you are writing or publishing, want to publish, is about kids, you can just drag this slider up to over here, so it is more playful. And would it be loud or quiet? Suppose I want it to be quiet, kind of. For example, feminine or masculine. Suppose your book is about workout, like for men, workout book for about men, so you can just drag this to the masculine side over here. You can just drag this to masculine side. And pop or grunge, not sure about that. Literal, abstract, just if you are not sure about something, you can just keep it in the middle. Describe what you are looking for more in detail. Is there anything about the designer should avoid, like some things you don't like? Allow stock images in your contest. Suppose I will see, here are the stock images used in the design. You can select yes, allow designer to recommend stock images. Stock images are great because they are professional and will make the final design look awesome. Now I will provide my own images, it's your choice. And do you have any other files that might be helpful to a designer? If you have any other files, then you can free to share with the upload over here, and then after you provide the details, you can just click over here and continue. So once again you see that 100% money back guaranteed. So it's a great platform if you want custom designs, and I will providing you the link down in the description below. So you can just click over there and visit this site. Hope you'll check it out. Thank you.